When I left my home and my family, I was no more than a boy. In the company of strangers, in the quiet of the railway stations, running scared, laying low, seeking out the poor quarters where the ragged people go, looking for the places only they will. La la la, la 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 la. Asking only workman's wages, looking for a job, but I get no offer. Just a common from the whores on 7th Avenue. I do declare there were times when I was so lonesome, I took some comfort there. Now I'm laying out my winter clothes, I'm wishing I was home, going home, where the New York City winters are bleeding me, leaving me home. La, 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 in the clearing stands a boxer, lighted by his tree, and he carries the reminder that every love laid down, he cut until he cried out. In his anger and his shame, I am leaving,